Picture this. It's January 9th, 2025. You've crushed your goals. Your finances are thriving. You're in the best shape of your life, and your relationships are stronger than ever. Sounds incredible, right? Here's the kicker. This isn't just a dream. This can be your reality. But here's a question for you. How many times have you set New Year's resolutions only to give up by February? It's not because you're lazy or unmotivated. It's because you're overwhelmed by trying to do too much too fast. Now imagine this. What if there was one simple habit that could turn everything around? It's called daily reflection, and it's the secret weapon of every successful person you admire. Here's how it works. At the end of each day, take just 5 minutes. Grab a journal, sit in silence, and ask yourself 3 questions. What went well today? What could I improve? What's my plan for tomorrow? This small, simple habit rewires your brain for growth. It helps you focus on what matters, cut out distractions, and make intentional choices every single day. A few years ago, I felt stuck, like I was spinning my wheels but getting nowhere. Then I started reflecting daily. Within a month, everything changed. I saw patterns in my behavior, took control of my time, and focused on what truly mattered. By the end of that year, I hit my fitness goals, doubled my income, and rebuilt my confidence, all because I made reflection non-negotiable. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they lack talent or resources. They fail because they lack awareness. Reflection gives you clarity. It helps you check in, course correct, and stay on track. Here's your challenge. Tonight, take 5 minutes to reflect. Write down one thing you're proud of, one thing you'll improve, one action you'll take tomorrow. Do this for the next 7 days, and I promise you'll feel the difference. If you're ready to make 2025 your best year yet and accept my challenge, comment below. Challenge accepted.